guys, it's Housewife in Heels, and I'm here with my latest unboxing. But before I get into that, I just wanted to either remind you or inform you that I have a pair of Jimmy Choo loose sandals up on my Depop for sale. If you've seen my review on these, then you would be aware that I just cannot wear them. They are very uncomfortable for me to wear, and I would prefer to pass these off to someone who would appreciate them a lot more than I do, because I don't want them just sitting in my closet, especially when at some point I'm going to need that room for a pair of shoes that I'm actually going to want to wear. So if anybody is interested, these are up on my Depop, Housewife in Heels, and I am going to be putting them in the description just to make it easier for you if you guys are interested. So that's why they're here. They're going to continue to stay here, and I just like having something here for everyone to look at because this purchase didn't come in a fancy bag that I typically like to have and yank it out of. So we're going to get into the meat of this video. So I was at Saks Off 5th the other day, because if you know me, you know I love an outlet, but for the most part you hear about me going to Christian, Louboutin, or Jimmy Choo, and that's it. But I checked them all out. I perused them all out. I am not discriminatory with my outlets. So I was at Saks Off 5th and I noticed one pair like this, just one. And I noticed that they were in a size 6.5. And I thought I might as well try it on. You never know. And sure enough, they fit. And I've never tried this brand out before. I've heard of it, but I've never had the chance to give it a go up until now. But of course, before I did that, I wanted to go ahead and show you guys what I got. So I'm gonna finally go ahead and show you guys. I got a pair from Aquazurra, and because I got them from Saks Off 5th, there's no fancy packaging or anything like that. The shoes were literally just thrown in here with their dust bag. Whatever happened to all of the frills and the floof, I don't know, but I didn't care because I saved over $500 on these. So here is one of them, a beautiful black strappy sandal. It's got buckles. The straps are literally buckles, and some of them you can adjust, some of them you cannot. I am hoping to eventually, after I give them a go and see if they are comfortable, take them to a cobbler to see if I can adjust that and make them adjustable. But they are very easy to put on because they have a nice zipper in the back, so it's just zip on, zip off. You don't have to worry about buckling every single strap because that would absolutely take forever. In case anyone is wondering, these are a 105mm heel, so definitely a realistic height for someone like myself to go running around in, because I'll even go out in 120mm. I'm that type of person. And these are, I'm a little bit nervous to take them out because they're a complete Napa leather. They're not patent, so they're the type that can kind of get eaten up if you're not careful. But I think the stiletto isn't so thin to where it can fall in a crack, similar to, say, a Louboutin. And something else that's like kind of cutesy about these, I don't know if you guys can see it with this heel in the way, but it's got like a little pineapple decal. I guess that's a signature of Aquazurra. I'm not exactly sure why that is. I haven't looked too much into the brand, but it's just a cutesy little detail. And something else that I noticed, the actual sole, while I'm showing you guys the little decal, it's similar to a Louboutin where it's painted. The leather is painted over. It's not like, say, a Jimmy Choo or a Manolo where the leather is totally just exposed. And honestly, I prefer the painted over leather. Call me crazy, that it's just my preference. I feel more stable on it. People talk about it creating issues with being kind of slippery, but for me, I find the opposite. After, say, a Jimmy Choo gets worn for a while and it kind of gets really worn in, then I think that can become really slippery. Whereas with these, the more you wear them, I think the less slippery they become. But overall, I am really happy. another concern that I do have, and now that I think about it, is that it's got this little piece of fabric right here, and it's not laid down very flat like a Jimmy Choo. So I fear this could give me issues, but I've heard that Aquazurra is very comfortable. I believe their most famous shoes are Sandals. It's between either the tequila sandals or a pump, and I cannot remember for the life of me what the pump is called, but it's got like a little bow tie. Meghan Markle made it famous. But yeah, here's the first shoe. I'm sure that you guys might want to actually see the second shoe. Second shoe is pretty much exactly the same. So overall, very excited about these. I want to say I saved 65% off of retail. I've even seen these on 2 other YouTubers, and I thought they looked really pretty, and lo and behold, I actually found them. So super, super, super excited about these. I am going to have to do a first use, first impressions, because this is a brand that I've never tried before. So I am very, very, very excited about that. And I sincerely hope that you guys enjoy this unboxing. I'm going to go ahead and throw these on for you, and I will see you in the shoes.